Well, it's a good build-up, comes to nothing. What can Moana Pasifika do from here? Can they turn it round? And they will. Jacob Ratamatavukinitkins scores the opening try in bizarre fashion, but the Highlanders will bank it. And he's just a few metres from the Highlanders goal line. Penalty advantage for them to work with. Sonny Revi tries to dive through. Tomateni again pops it up. Tuala's close. Yeah. Tuala scores. Well, he got the opening try at North Harbour last week. Vikena, little short pass. TK Howden heavily involved early. Umaga Jensen trying to free the pass for Lowe. And Lowe's going to score the Highlanders' second. Second try of the season for Jonah Lowe. And the Highlanders retake the lead. Trying to get it organised and moving in the right direction. Moana, once called, told to use. Tomateni and Tuala puts a little kick along the ground. Lalomilo chasing. Lalomilo, can he win the race? You betcha! Execution of the highest order. And Lalomilo has the second for Moana. And he manages to evade a flailing Tuputai Loa. He looks gassed. It's been all action in this last couple of minutes, and there's the penalty.
Shifted to the side, and that ball is exposed.
Makes good contact. Can it hold up? Yes, it can. There's the penalty goal for William Havili. And an excellent, entertaining first half of rugby. Half-time here at Forsyth Bar Stadium in Dunedin. It's Moana Pasifika who lead the Highlanders by 17 points to 12. Some massive defensive plays in that first half. You must have been impressed. What was your key message at half-time?
Pretty much the same as Tanner, really. There's a lot of mistakes in the match.
Good work off the penalty, catching Moana on the hop, although they win a huge defensive penalty.
6 blue. Time off. Richard, just referring to your review, mate. Yeah, we do have head contact. And it is shoulder to head. He's upright, so it's a yellow card. Felt by Michael. So you're upright, he does make head contact. It's a yellow card, not field review.
Sends this one skyward. Philip Morne chasing through. The ball is loose in behind. Jack Taylor chasing through on the ball. It's there for Davita Offa. And they're right over the ball, the Highlanders. Full rights, and Paul Williams agrees. As he so often does, directing his orchestra, Adi Savia at the moment. Looking to play a tune down the short side. Savia, can he get the bounce? He can! Can he score the try? He absolutely can! Oh, that is special from Adi Savia. He creates it, and he finishes it. It's another Stag who manages to rip it away, but the Highlanders through Mo are close. Fakatava for Lau! What about the pass? For Lau Fakatava! Miller to level things up in Dunedin. He has. He's taken low by Holland. Tomateni looking to clear the ball away for Savia. We pop over the top. Tom Moifala, Miracle Failangi reaching! And Miracle Failangi scoring! Huge try, Moana! What a buy Patrick Pellegrini has been as he looks to convert, can't do it, stays left. To possibly take the lead here in Dunedin. Fakatava looks to try and release. Might just keep rumbling forward. The Highlanders, they'll score. Paul Williams takes a close look towards it. And I think it might be Jack Taylor. Fakatava has played it beautifully. Robinson has his kick charged. Oh, Moana! Can you believe it? Malani Matavo! Oh, he's got this one on point. Beautiful kick. Jack Taylor sends in. It's untidy, but they do have it through the hooker. Now looks to find some support. The Highlanders looking to keep their season alive in their hopes of making the playoffs. Mo Runs into some heavy contact. Tava no way. Big hits coming in from Moana. Huge defence. Fakatava will look to slice through.
Yep, fair play.
A little bit isolated as Umaga Jensen dishes away to Howden.
Lifted.
42 metres out. The Highlanders looking to try and find a way through. Some gallant Moana Pasifika defence. Fabian Holland for Umaga Jensen. Good tackle by Langi. Now the opportunity. Oh, Sean Withy was on the outside. For the first time, Moana Pasifika beat the Highlanders. And what a win it is too.